Worcester Bosch 2964B error code. Flow, thermistor, short circuit. Welcome to BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe. In this video, we're covering the Worcester Bosch 2964B error code, which means there's a short circuit detected on the flow temperature sensor. The 2964B fault means the boiler's flow thermistor is reporting an electrical short. The thermistor measures water temperature leaving the heat exchanger, and if it sends incorrect signals, the boiler can't regulate heat safely. Causes: damaged flow sensor wiring or connector, water ingress on the electrical plug, sensor failure due to age or corrosion, or occasionally, a faulty control board misreading the signal. What you can check: 1. Reset the boiler once. 2. Check system pressure is between 1 and 1.5 bar. 3. If the error returns immediately, don't continue using the boilio. The flow readings are inaccurate and can cause further faults. When to call BeFix. BeFix will test the thermistor resistance, inspect the sensor wiring for moisture or corrosion, and replace the sensor if it's out of range. We'll also test the control board to confirm the issue is fully resolved. Keep your boiler safe and reliable. Contact BeFix for expert diagnostics.